Hello and welcome to Quizify. We are happy to have you on board. Quizify isn't just another form builder. It's a smart tool that recommends products to your consumers and seamlessly integrates with your favorite apps. So let's get started and create your very first form. Once you log into the Shopify store and open Quizify, you will land on the dashboard. From here, you can either scroll down and create your first form or use the Create Quiz button on the left-hand menu. Quizify gives you access to hundreds of ready-to-use templates built for different industries and recommendation types. We will cover recommendation types in detail in the later videos. But for now, let's begin with a blank form. Start by giving your form a title. In this demo, we call it Quizify Skin Quiz. You will notice three main sections in the form. Let's begin with the intro page. This is a welcome screen that your users will see. You can choose to enable or disable it. Customization is easy. Update the title, add a subheading, and change the button text. If you are on the Pro plan, you can even customize your background color or add image directly here. Starter and Growth plan users can adjust design in the Global Form Design panel. Now let's move to the questions section. On the right-hand panel, you will see all the editing options. You can select different question types, single choice, multi-choice, slider, and more. You can decide how your questions appear, as drop-downs or boxes. Let's add your first question. For the title, I will type, "What is your skin type?" And for the description, I will add this. In the answer section, you will add the following options: normal, oily, dry, and sensitive. You can also attach images or icons for each of this answer to make them more engaging. If needed, add a short explanation to each option. To add more questions, simply click the plus icon. Once you are done, hit save. Back on the dashboard, you can reorder your questions by dragging them. Next, let's set up the user form. This part is essential. This is where you capture your customer's contact detail and sync them directly into your mailing list. You can choose to enable or disable it, and also decide whether to show it at the beginning or at the end of the quiz. Based on our data, placing it at the end of the form increases the completion rate by 75%, so we recommend keeping it there. Here you can select which details to collect. Once everything looks good, it's time to preview your form. In the preview section, you can see how your forms looks across desktop, mobile, and tablet. Finally, it's time to publish your form. There are many ways to embed your form onto your site, which we will explore in detail in the next set of videos. Till then, thank you so much. See you in the next one.